In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Binance buy and sell orders using the mobile app. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, this guide will help you navigate the essential steps for placing your trades efficiently. First, let's begin by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, you'll want to direct your attention to the Trade tab, specifically selecting Spot Trading. This section is where you'll find all the different trading activities you can participate in. Next, it's time to choose a trading pair. For instance, you might select BTC/USDT if you're looking to trade Bitcoin against US dollar Tether. It's important to choose your pair wisely based on your trading strategy, as this will impact the results of your trades. Now that you've decided on a trading pair, the next step is to decide whether to buy or sell. Tap on either the buy or sell button depending on your intentions. If you're looking to acquire more of the first currency in your pair, you'll select buy. Conversely, if you want to sell, you'll choose sell. Following this, you'll need to select the type of order you wish to place. You have three primary options: limit, market, or OCO. One cancels the other. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you are willing to buy or sell. A market order, on the other hand, is executed immediately at the current market price, which can be useful when you need to execute a trade quickly. OCO is a more advanced option that lets you set both a limit and a stop order, offering more flexibility for your trading strategy. Once you've chosen your order type, it's time to enter the specifics, the price and the amount you wish to trade. Pay close attention to these details as they determine how your order will execute. Make sure the price you enter reflects your trading strategy and the amount corresponds to what you intend to buy or sell. After all the necessary details are filled in, you're ready for action. If you're buying Bitcoin, you'll tap Buy BTC. Similarly, if you're selling, you'll tap Sell BTC. Your order is now placed, but the journey doesn't end here. To stay on top of your trades, make use of the Open Orders tab. Here, you can track the status of your orders and make any necessary adjustments or cancellations. It's crucial to monitor open orders as market conditions can change rapidly, impacting your trading plan. And there you have it, setting up buy and sell orders on Binance through your mobile app. With these steps, you can navigate the trading process more effectively and make the most of your trading opportunities. Happy trading, and don't hesitate to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher.